Hello and welcome to another Beehiiv feature update. In this video, I'm going to be covering our new two-factor authentication feature, also known as 2FA. Two-factor authentication is a way for you to add another layer of security to your Beehiiv account. As we've added more features for accepting and making payouts through your Beehiiv wallet, we felt it prudent that we add this extra layer of protection so that you can be sure that your Beehiiv account is protected from unauthorized access. To get started, you're going to need to download an app that has two-factor authentication features to it, something like Google Authenticator, Authy, 1Password, to name a few. In this example, I'm going to be using Google Authenticator. To get started, we're going to click on Settings. We're going to navigate to Password, and then we're going to see this two-factor authentication section here. It's going to have this QR code. We're going to go into our two-factor authentication app, whether it's 1Password or Google Authenticator or Authy. They'll have the ability for you to scan that QR code, which will create a new item within the app that has the numbers that get generated every minute, 30 seconds, whatever the threshold is. You're going to take the number that's generated and put it right into that field right here. Once that's done, you're going to hit Save, and your Beehiiv account will be connected to your Google Authenticator account. It's very simple, not terribly hard, and that's going to get you started. Thank you so much, and we can't wait to see what you build.